How about now for 5260? Venom Cobra, try 5380. Cobra, Reaper, copy, thank you. Venom Cobra 01, in from the west. Cobra 01. Rifle, time of flight, 21 seconds. Thank you. Flash, assessing BDA. Venom Cobra 01, one by Romeo 9 Echo, one by White Vehicle, good weapon specs. All players, active SA 22, cut from back cave 050 to 3.4. One in weapon setting 033. Over 01. Rifle, time of flight 22 seconds. Flash, assessing BDA. Cobra, Venom Cobra 01, one by AGM on one pickup truck, good weapon specs. 01 in weapon setting 236. Time of flight 21 seconds. Flash, assessing BDA. Venom Cobra 01, one by AGM on one White Vehicle, good weapon specs. Venom Cobra, go ahead. Venom Cobra 01, Jacob. Confirm Cobra 01, copy all. Cobra 01, copy all. Here, Lindy Charlie, how me? Reaper, are you LST capable? Cobra 18 Tango, Victor Spa, 076 176. CF code 1121, and there. Hog, Cobra 01, that is the target. Confirm, and just to confirm, which way is entrance of the shed? Alright, confirm, that is the target for the coordinate structure, 1 by Chief 12. Cobra 01, 7.5 nautical miles away, you're 21,700 feet above. Reaper, Cobra 01, just confirm we are flight level 220 out to the southwest of the target. We're roughly 9 nauticals away. It would be just for us to just circle up on the target and laser from a overhead. And just to confirm where you want the aim point to be. Cobra 01, copy so. Cobra 01. Cobra laser. Cobra 01, 1 may be 12 on, 1 weapon shed, good weapon spec. Venom Cobra. Venom Cobra, I just wanted to confirm, are you able to shoot a buddy on an FT, specifically the one that we've been kind of following around? Just trying to confirm I'm going to be the shooter, and then the buddy will be Hog, dude, whoever. Cobra 01, copy dogs. Do you happen to have the grid to where you're at? No problem, Pause 779-122. Cobra 01. Venom Cobra, yeah, it looks like we have a fast food restaurant chain. Looks like one white SUV kind of facing northeast right now towards the building. Now we target Cobra 01. Cobra 01. Cobra, I just wanted to confirm what's your current position from the target and what's your altitude block level? Say again, flight level and direction. I think that radio mass. Cobra 01, just confirm since you are tally target, going to be coming in standby on first rear. Hog, Reaper 01, I'm going to be shooter, you're going to be buddy with Romeo 9 Echo, simultaneous. I'm going to be going in from the northwest to southeast run, and I just need you to hold out to the northeast of the over or circle around northeast. Here, code 1121. Cobra 01, copy all. Give the standard 1 minute call in, sending the laser and laser on call as well. I'll let you know when I'm set. Cobra, we are set. You're set. Cobra 01, copy all. Cobra 1 minute. Venom Cobra 01 and weapon heading 150. Cobra 01. That's it, laser. Cobra 01, looks like there's weapons. Thanks. Venom Cobra 01, one by Romeo 9 Echo, one and went into the weapons. Venom